Just take a look at this channel, it's absolutely amazing. This simple 2D cartoon character style is going viral right now, and millions of people are watching and enjoying this type of content every day. Many creators are trying to recreate these characters in 3D, but achieving the same look, simplicity, and storytelling appeal can be quite difficult. The good news is that you don't need expensive software, advanced animation skills, or a large team to create videos like these. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process for creating these viral cartoon videos from scratch. You'll learn how to create consistent characters, generate high-quality scenes, animate them professionally, add realistic voice narration, create engaging sound effects, and edit everything together into a polished video ready for YouTube. I'll also share the exact AI tools, prompts, and workflow that can save you hours of work and help you produce content much faster. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, this tutorial will help you understand how these viral videos are made. First, I'm going to give you the master prompt, so don't worry about creating the character prompt, image prompts, or video prompts separately. Simply copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and follow along carefully. This prompt is fully polished and optimized, so there's no need to generate anything extra or create separate instructions. Everything is already included in one place: the character design, image prompts, video prompts, scene progression, camera directions, emotions, and consistency guidelines. Take a close look at the character style section. It is designed to create the exact same type of character that we want, with strict consistency across all scenes. The prompt ensures that the character's face, hairstyle, outfit, colors, and proportions remain identical throughout the entire story. In addition, all image and video prompts are already structured for professional storytelling and short-form content creation. However, there is one more thing we need: the audio narration prompt. Simply ask ChatGPT to provide the audio narration separately in a single paragraph. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a complete narration prompt that matches the story perfectly, including emotions, pacing, tone, and storytelling flow. This means you'll have everything you need in one workflow: character design, images, videos, camera movements, voiceovers, and narration, without creating anything manually. This method saves a huge amount of time, keeps your content consistent, and helps you produce high-quality cartoon videos much faster. So, copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, get the separate narration paragraph, and you're ready to start creating professional animated videos with minimal effort. First, let's start with Fish Audio. Fish Audio is one of the world's leading AI audio platforms, offering millions of AI voices and powerful audio creation tools for content creators. Whether you want realistic voiceovers, voice cloning, voice changing, audio transcription, or expressive AI speech with emotions, Fish Audio provides everything in one place. The best part is that it is designed specifically for creators, making it easy to generate professional quality audio for YouTube videos, animations, storytelling content, podcasts, and much more. Now, let me show you exactly how I use Fish Audio to create realistic AI narrations for my videos. On the home page, you can see features like text-to-speech, voice cloning, sound effects, speech-to-text, and many more powerful tools. But don't worry, today we're only going to focus on the main features that I used in this video. First, let's start with text-to-speech. Here, you simply paste the script that you want to convert into audio. After that, click on the voice selection option and choose More Voices. Then click on Explore. Here you'll find thousands of voices available. You can browse through them and choose any voice that fits your content. The best part is that these voices sound incredibly realistic. They don't have that robotic AI feel. Instead, they sound natural and human-like, which is very important for professional content creation. You also get a language filter, allowing you to select voices based on your preferred language. Simply choose a voice, click on Generate Speech, and within seconds your audio is ready. Yes, it doesn't take much time at all.
In a warm, engaging, child-friendly storytelling voice with clear pronunciation, natural pacing, and expressive emotions. Start with curiosity and excitement as the boy discovers a shiny scooter in the park, then gradually build suspense when he decides to ride it despite his friends' warnings.
Now listen to the generated voice. Honestly, it sounds amazing. It feels like a real human narration. I know there are many AI voice tools available online, but the quality of this tool is seriously impressive. Another feature I really like is the voice search option. For example, if I'm creating a story video, I can simply search for story voices, and it instantly shows multiple voices suitable for storytelling content. I can preview them and select the one that best matches my video style. This is a feature I haven't seen implemented this well in many other tools. On the right side, you'll also find advanced controls such as model selection, including S2 Pro and S1 Pro, voice control settings, volume adjustment, speed control, loudness settings, and many other customization options. You can manually fine-tune everything according to your needs. There is also a history section where all of your previously generated audio files are stored, making it very easy to find and reuse them whenever needed. Now let's talk about the voice changer feature, which is absolutely amazing. First, upload the audio file that you want to modify. I'll use the same voice that I generated earlier. Let's listen to the original voice first.
The boy discovers a shiny scooter in the park, then gradually builds suspense when he decides to ride it despite his friend's warning.
After that, click on Select Voice Model and choose any voice you want to convert it into. For this example, I'll randomly select a voice model. Then simply click on Start Converting. Within seconds, boom. The conversion is complete. Now listen to the transformed voice. It's incredible. The tool completely changes the voice while keeping it natural and realistic.
The boy discovers a shiny scooter in the park, then gradually builds suspense when he decides to ride it despite his friend's warnings. Increase concern and tension as the scooter begins to shake and suddenly brakes. Use an angry but controlled tone for the scooter's owner when he arrives. Shift to a sad, remorseful, and sincere emotion as the boy apologizes for his.
The results are seriously impressive. Next, let's try the voice cloning feature. This feature is also very powerful. Simply upload the voice that you want to clone. First, listen to the original sample voice.
The boy discovers a shiny scooter in the park, then gradually builds suspense when he decides to ride it despite his friend.
Then click on Analyze Audio. The system will begin analyzing the voice characteristics, speaking style, tone, and delivery. Once the analysis is complete, click Confirm and then select Create. Your cloned voice will be ready in just a few moments. After that, click on Use Voice and now you can generate any script using the same cloned voice. It's that simple. Finally, there is the sound effects section. Here you'll find many free sound effects that you can preview and download for your projects. Overall, this is a very impressive tool. It offers many more features that I haven't covered in this video, so feel free to explore everything yourself and see what works best for your content creation workflow. Now let's come to Meta AI. Why do I use this tool? Because both its image generation and video generation features are amazing. The workflow is extremely simple and beginner-friendly. All you have to do is copy and paste your prompt, and within a few minutes your image is ready. The image quality is very impressive, with detailed visuals and professional-looking results. Once your image is generated, simply click on the Animate option. Meta AI will automatically start converting your image into a video. Within a few minutes, it generates a high-quality animated video with smooth motion and impressive visual effects. What I really like about this tool is how easy it is to use. You don't need any advanced editing skills or complicated settings. Just enter your prompt, generate the image, animate it, and your video is ready. The results are consistently impressive, especially for storytelling content, motivational videos, character-based animations, and cinematic scenes. The generated visuals look professional and can easily be used for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. I know that audio generation is not available inside this workflow, and that's exactly why I generated the audio separately using Fish Audio. By combining Meta AI for visuals and Fish Audio for narration, you can create complete professional quality videos with a very simple workflow. Overall, Meta AI is a fantastic tool for creating both images and videos quickly and efficiently. I highly recommend giving it a try and experimenting with different prompts to see what you can create. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.